Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm with my sister.
Hi!
And we're going to open all these toys. This Bend Flex Thanos, pull back wheels car, this Humpty Dumpty egg, this all of these Kinder eggs. Open them all up. We're going to play together with them. Let's get started. Going to start with this pull back wheels car. You pull the wheels back and it zooms super fast, and there's candies with it. Where should we?
There's some tiny guts. There. You open
Here we
it.
go. Give me all the trash.
Okay. And
Open it.
let me open it. Yeah.
It's so hard.
Yeah.
Let me try.
Yeah, you did it. You did it. Yeah.
Here are the candies.
And here's the car. Good car. I like the car.
There's star candies. And here is the flyer.
Let's
These are-
see.
These are all the cars you can get.
Yeah.
It moves all by itself. Now, what else are we going to open?
Yeah.
Cake. I'm gonna.
No, these.
Oh, yeah.
Remember, it's the smashed egg.
The egg is smashed.
No.
It's okay. It
I
still
know.
has a surprise.
Uh-huh.
I'm
And then
gonna.
yummy. I love yummy.
Maybe the yummy is smashed, not the surprise.
Yeah.
Okay, the
I
yummy really is smashed. Oh wait, here's the yummy, the toy.
Yummy. Save this. There.
Get the spoon off and peel.
Where is the toy?
Yeah, the toy is
Let
in
me
here.
peel this one.
No, you
Huh?
already opened the last one. Now it's my turn.
Let me piece it then.
No, nothing.
Hmm.
You can
Aw.
only play with it.
Cool. It's a cool guy.
Here are the instructions. Wait, this is not instructions. This is instructions. We put the cute little lady on.
This one.
Not that one. The pink one. Where's the pink one? Here.
Oh.
It's
pink
her
one.
skirt.
Oh, Scotty.
Yeah. Maybe it actually goes this way.
Yeah, there you go.
And then looks like we put it onto the ring. It doesn't look like she can stand. Let me see. Oh, it's supposed to go on top of her.
I knew it.
I thought it was a ring. Ta-da!
She looks so nice. Now let's open this Humpty Dumpty egg. Here. Take that. Let me open the surprise too.
Yeah.
Because you already
Taking
opened.
turns.
Yeah. How many eggs are we going to open?
You, me. Only. No, me, us.
Mhm.
Us.
Help me open this egg. It's so hard to open.
Here's our Humpty Dumpty egg. Here's the inside of it. Boo.
Yummy.
It looks like Kinder egg.
Yummy. Gimme. Yummy, gimme.
Yeah.
Let me piece it. Hey.
Oh yeah, I forgot. It's your turn. What is that? Looks crazy.
Yeah, it
Show
looks
them.
crazy.
Show them.
It looks crazy, guys. Little sticky thing.
Put it there.
Ah! It feels so icky.
It feels like a gummy.
Oh, wait. I think I know.
Hey, show
We
it in the
grab.
Show it here.
Look.
Show it here. Here. Bring it here.
Look, it's so you
I'm gonna spread it on you. Ha!
found.
It's a yo-yo. You can
Yes,
you can put your hand through there,
and then
you place splat the lizard.
I wanna.
You got caught. Police car.
No, it's not a police car.
Police car ambulance.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh no.
You didn't caught anybody.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I got it.
Hooray!
Does it win?
It's super
It's so
stretchy.
stretchy.
It's gummy. I like it. It's gonna be
so
my
cute.
favorite toy
Yeah, me
so
too.
far. We might get something
Hey, here
else.
you go.
Now we're going to open pink or blue.
Pink is girls. We are girls.
Ah, of course
So
we are
pink.
girls.
So pink.
They know I'm a girl. They know you're a girl.
Yeah. I cracked it.
Good.
Yeah. Get the spoon. Here you go.
Oh yeah, this one's mine. Cool.
What is that? Hey! Give me that thing. I like it. It's so
Here's what we got. Like a little butterfly, some wings, and a comb. Let's see what we have got. A pladu. Okay, this is what we have got. First, we put the back of the butterfly to the wing, to the comb. Okay, put the back of the butterfly to the wing. Play with the little splatty thing. I thought you said you don't like it.
No, I like it. It's so gooey and fun.
There, and then we need to attach it.
Ugh.
Ta-da!
This is totally
It's awesome. A little butterfly comb.
Yeah.
Maybe I can comb my hair.
Let me see.
Little butterfly
cool.
comb.
Oh.
Comb my hair, comb my hair, la 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 la. Okay,
Mm.
I'm done combing my hair.
Ah. Get that. Yeah, there's a got you.
Here you go.
Crazy colored.
I'm gonna do it to my brother.
Yeah, yeah.
I got two brothers. I'm gonna take the closest brother.
Which is?
I
What?
don't know which one it will be. The closest one to the door when we come out.
Okay.
Of course, I don't know what it is. Hey,
Who? Yeah. Ooh, a car.
a car? Oh, it looks like a little racer
Yeah,
driving
get
on
that.
driving on a small teeny
Oh,
bicycle.
cool.
Oh, there's some stickers. You can put the stickers on it.
So, let's look at the instructions. Oh,
Look,
Ta-da.
there's a little like racer. We got this racer.
and look at back.
So we paste the stickers, put
Okay.
him on the bike, and ta-da!
I'll paste the stickers first. My
With
fun
the
is.
corner. Right here.
Okay.
This
Yeah.
one doesn't have the apply-do
Yeah,
writing.
there we go.
The ones that I
And-
opened have the apply-do writing, but that one doesn't.
We put it like that.
His feet.
That,
Can I see?
I don't know how.
You're doing it the wrong way.
Oh, no wonder. Wait, Yummy! It's my toy.
Yeah, we can just share, you know.
There. Ah.
Yeah, okay. Looks a little crazy, like a crazy man riding a little small thing. If we get the other one,
Whoa, shut up! Well,
run!
mini,
Ah.
yo-yo. It's hiding. Let's put it at the back of Thanos. Like there.
Okay.
It cannot
Shoo.
stick anyway.
Here is our Bend and Flex Thanos. See? Thanos, Marvel Avengers. Don't open it yet. Here's the back of the package, so it can bend, and here's a stand. Or it looks like a power thing in this picture. This one, we got a yellow one, but at the front, we actually got a purple one.
Yeah.
It's really flexible. Ah, who broke it?
Come on, let's start from there. Yeah.
Thanos.
Thanos.
Okay. Get all the package
Yeah.
off.
Yummy.
We're
to
Hulks.
Hulk smashes.
I'm gonna get the stand. Okay.
I'm gonna get Thanos then.
Yeah, you're supposed to take Thanos. Hell, what's wrong with it? There we go.
There. And
Here
now-
is our stand. Whoa.
Yo.
It is awesome!
Uh-huh.
Oops, you get all the trash.
Yo, I got the Thanos.
Show me that the coin. This is what the bended flex feels like. He's kind of like hard to move.
Yummy, come on.
Wait, where's the coin? Look, he has his infinity goblin, his purple face, and his legs.
Come on, let me bend it. Yeah, we can move it.
He's a crazy ghost Thanos.
Ghost Thanos.
Maybe.
Ghost Thanos. Maybe we can do like that.
There, Thanos. What? His head cannot move. That's
Uh-huh.
crazy. Maybe it's because of his armor, and then he cannot turn his head.
Yo.
Yo, choo! Whoa, 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 whoa!
Wow.
No! Here's Thanos. And his stand. Don't put his stand on him. Right there. Okay guys, here are all the stuff we got in today's unboxing. Let's play together. Ha ha ha, I'm Thanos. And I'm here to defeat the world. Shaw. Destroy you. Who's this? I have caught you in my hands. I have captured you. I think you would be a good thing for the Thanos team. Now nobody can stop me. Hee.
Boing.
Who's that? Oh no. Here, get that.
Wow.
I'm going to get you, Thanos. Hey, who are you? I'm Ronin, and I'm here to defeat you. Yeah. I'm super strong. Let's use the Infinity Goblin. Cha. Yeah, I'm gonna get you. Poof. Oh, you're
But you
so
still
small,
haven't
but
get
you're super
me.
strong. Cha.
Haha, I got it. Yo.
I hate
Yeah.
that thing.
Why you captured it then?
I captured it because it was bothering me.
Hey, it's a yo-yo. Ooh, a sticky yo-yo.
Even though it's a yo-yo, I can still get
It's on my hand, you know.
Ha.
Come on. Get it.
Yeah.
Yeah, there.
Oopsie.
Wow, it's so stretchy. Help me.
I'm
It's stuck.
stuck.
Hey,
I'm
goody.
stuck.
I
I'm
know.
free.
Put him.
Help. Ha. I don't want to stay in here. I'm gonna get you, Cap.
Ow. Yeah,
No,
I'll try you.
not this. Cha.
I need to.
Yahoo.
Stop moving, Thanos.
I need to move so that you can't tie me.
Why?
Ah.
Oh no. Yeah.
Oh, you are so hard. Oocha, oof. Yay, I'm going to it. Not you. I hate this thing. Just stop getting me, you little spring.
Because you're bad. That's why.
Jumping rope.
It's not a jumping rope.
Infinity Goblin. Pachoo.
It's no match.
Is this thing stronger than an Infinity Goblin?
Yep.
With all 6 stones?
Yeah.
I can do the snap. But
Not
I'm not
even
gonna
snap.
do it now.
Not even Snap can do.
So it will just be there.
Yeah.
I think I will just capture this thing.
Why? It would just trap you.
I'm gonna get the front. Arg.
No, it's mine.
We're going to keep on fighting
Yep.
until somebody wins.
And that's the super.
Ah.
Oh, sorry.
tangled. Cha, I'm gonna get you.
Oh no, you keep escaping.
Gonna get you, lizard.
No.
Bad lizard.
No, don't get my lizard.
It's not your lizard.
It's my lizard.
Cha. Oh.
It's my cool lizard. Come on, get it.
Run! I need to get out of here. I'm so smart. Cha. Oh man. Paw. It looks like I'm winning.
Nope, you still haven't win.
Ah! I can't get out this
Gooey,
time.
gooey.
Ah, let me go.
No,
Let me go.
Nope. No. Come on, give me. You can't go now.
I need to win him. Shaw. Ha.
Now
No,
you're
don't tie me. Shaw. Yeah, blah, poof. Shoot. Poof. Oh,
I need to
run
tie
away
you.
from here.
No.
I should run away.
No.
I'm gonna run. I will come back. Run.
I need to practice tying fast.
Thank you for saving us, Captain America.
And Ronin.
Oh, Ronin? Is that Ronin?
Yeah, that's Ronin.
I'm Ronin. I'm the new superhero.
Yeah,
Thank you, superheroes.
I'm tying myself.
Thank you.
Hey, I'm tying myself.
Stop tying yourself. You're gonna get stuck in there.
I can get it. Yeah. There, I'm stuck.
Thank you for saving us. We can't thank you, but we can't thank you enough. Yeah.
Whee!
Thank you for saving
Oopsie.
us.
I got a 10.
Why are you
I can do
thanking
this
me?
and kick him. Whee!
Because you slayed him more than Captain America.
It's fun.
Oh, really? Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
When Thanos comes here, we'll be ready for it. Bye-bye,
I'll keep
guys.
this on my belt.
Always remember to like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Bye.